Be alone. That is the secret of invention. Be alone. That is when ideas are born. Intelligent people tend to have less friends than the average person. The smarter you are, the more selective you become. One must be sane to think clearly, but one can think deeply and be quite insane. Of all things, I like books best. Every living being is an engine geared to the wheelwork of the universe. Though seemingly affected only by its immediate surrounding, the sphere of external influence extends to infinite distance. I do not think you can name many great inventions that have been made by married men. The present is theirs, the future, for which I really worked, is mine. Antisocial behavior is a trait of intelligence in a world full of conformists. The gift of mental power comes from God, divine being, and if we concentrate our minds on that truth, we become in tune with this great power. Let the future tell the truth, and evaluate each one according to his work and accomplishments. Today's scientists have substituted mathematics for experiments, and they wander off through equation after equation, and eventually build a structure which has no relation to reality. If your hate could be turned into electricity, it would light up the whole world. There is no energy in matter other than that received from the environment. Though free to think and act, we are held together, like the stars in the firmament with ticks inseparable. These ticks cannot be seen, but we can feel them. The day will soon come when I will show the world that the transmission of power and speech without the aid of any wires is possible. Misunderstandings are always caused by the inability of appreciating one another's point of view. We are whirling through endless space, with an inconceivable speed. All around everything is spinning, everything is moving, everywhere there is energy. My belief is firm in a law of compensation. The true rewards are ever in proportion to the labor and sacrifices made. In the 21st century, the robot will take the place which slave labor occupied in ancient civilization.